Hi everyone, today let's look at how to use the laws of logarithm to solve the log equation. We will start with quick examples using multiplication and division rules and then move on to the 2025 Add Maths exam question. Before we start, remember the multiplication rule of logarithm. Log base a of xy is equal to the addition of log base a of x and log base a of y. You need to use this rule in both ways, and don't forget we can only apply them when the bases are the same. Let's try the first question. Since the base is the same, we can combine them using the multiplication rule. Then we can write this expression as log base 3 of 6 times by 7. Then the result is log base 3 of 42. Now let's look at the division rule of logarithm. Log base a of x over y is equal to log base a of x minus log base a of y. Now let's try another simple example. Since the bases are the same, we can apply the division rule. So the expression can be written as log base 2 of 15 divided by 5, which is log base 2 of 3. So these are our answers for the simple questions. Now let's solve Add Maths exam question from 2025. This question is worth 2 marks. We can say that the bases are all same. So let's simplify the left-hand side step by step. We can simplify the first 2 terms with multiplication rule. Combine those two, we get log base a of p times by 5. Let's keep the remaining part. Then we can simplify the equation to have log base a of 5p minus log base a of 4 equals to log base a of 20. You can find out that the bases are still the same, and since there is a subtraction part, we can use the division rule of logarithm to simplify this equation again. Applying division rule, we get log base a of 5p over 4 is equal to log base a of 20. If you look at this equation, since the bases are still the same, we can define that the values inside the logs are also same. Therefore, 5p over 4 is equal to 20. Then solve for this equation. We get 5p is equal to 80. Then the result of p value is 16. So this is our final answer for the Add Maths exam question from 2025. I will upload new math lessons every Thursday. Subscribe and keep preparing your exams with me.